Hi everyone, Flash Kriger here, co-host of Edge of NFT. I am live in Abu Dhabi at the Abu Dhabi Finance Week 2023, and it's been an eventful few days. We're all tired. There's been a lot of fun events, including yours. And I'm here with Alex Chehade, who's the Executive Director, General Manager of Dubai for Binance UAE. It's a pleasure to meet you and get to know you over the past few days and what you guys are up to in the region. For our audience at home, just a little bit about Alex's background. He has 20 years of experience in finance, including 12 years dedicated to operations and trading, which has been focused in digital assets since 2016. He's really passionate about the space, obviously, and has built a career based on high-tech organization leadership worldwide, strategy, innovation, team development, and at Finance, he's overseeing cryptocurrency ecosystem expansion, including Web3 and the metaverse. So, about it?
Yeah.
Well, obviously, I think it's important for us to start the conversation with the recent news. And, there's been a resolution, so to speak, with Binance and its relationship with the U.S. government, SEC. I'm really curious, what now? What does that road forward look like?
Now we have certainty, we can plan for the future. So with certainty, it's easier to back businesses. And Richard is taking the helm. He's a fantastic leader, and he's the right guy to lead business with great exchange experience, great regulatory experience, and crypto experience. So the perfect candidate to lead us forward. And we're looking forward to driving adoption and building Web3 economy.
Yeah, Binance has been a sort of leader in the technological advancement of the industry through a lot of different avenues, right? And I guess now that the coast is clear, you all can sort of, launch all these exciting projects that you've been working on. In particular, since, we are the edge of NFT, I am curious strategically, what's that roadmap look like? Because I think we've gone from a place of NFTs being a shiny object. Everyone enjoyed trying new things, experimenting. How do you see NFTs strategically fitting into sort of the broader adoption economy, and how is Binance looking at NFTs from sort of a use case perspective, infrastructure perspective?
Okay, so the use cases for NFTs are being explored. As you said before, it was just a shiny object. We didn't really understand how to utilize it. And so you're seeing non-fungible real-world assets as NFTs, that's a like-for-like use case. And then we're seeing engagement with clients as another great use case. Nike are really engaging with their community with NFT drops, tagging real-world sneakers with NFTs, and it's really helping drive their customer satisfaction. We're a customer-focused company as well, so we're also looking at ways to engage.
Reward consumer behavior.
Yeah, reward consumer behavior, be able to airdrop things to clients, being able to notify people. So we've also got a Web3 wallet which starts to interact with the economy. And so, with the engagement, digital identity, which people are using avatars as well, we see a bright future ahead to this product. We're an innovative company. We love to innovate. And so whatever's establishing themselves, we'll be there.
Cool. And there's a lot of sort of interesting NFT sort of traditional token economies coming up, right? And I'm sure with listing opportunities and whatnot, any particular projects that sort of touch on the NFT world that have recently sort of been listed by Binance, or that you guys have announced?
I don't think we've done anything too drastic of late. But it's at the moment the leaders are traditional businesses that are exploring. I think all traditional businesses prefer the narrative of Web3. Everyone's looked at the companies that embrace the internet are still around, and the leaders now. So the narrative of Web3 resonates with existing businesses, and so they're still experimenting with their NFTs, with use cases that we mentioned, but it's yet to pan out, right? Still early. It's an experiment.
Speaking of experiments, I have to say in my time in the UAE over the last month, I've been really impressed in how the government has embraced experimentation, whether it's virtual worlds. There's a demo of mediation in the metaverse, right? What's sort of your perspective on the ground here in this region in terms of the adoption of cryptocurrency, the adoption of NFT technology, and how is that sort of different than other regions?
There's a specific drive from this country in all the Emirates to diversify away from fossil fuels and build the new emerging economies. I think PwC have given us some numbers of about $20 billion of additional GDP embracing blockchain.
Wow.
And so the Dubai government established a blockchain strategy, I think in 2016. So they've really been moving at that so these years into blockchain. And they've given the certainty to businesses to attract them. So they've attracted companies like Binance to the region, and we've seen all the other companies that are here, they've been attracted to the regions. So this, and then you get the network effect of everyone being here, sharing ideas, and really, really developing blockchain and Web3.
So exciting times ahead. I guess just to take a step back, you have a global sort of set of users. I don't know what the recent numbers are. You could tell me that in terms of folks using your platform and whatnot. I'm really curious how those demographic trends are adjusting in terms of age, background of your users. Like, are we at a point where, this is a tipping point, or, if not, where do we go next?
So I believe we have 160 million users globally, and the demographic is, as you'd expect, it's young, tech savvy, slightly more male than female.
It's changing.
Yeah, we're a little bit. I mean, we have a lot of senior leaders in Binance. And going back to, because it's experimental and new, the younger demographic need that. That's why we're in the region here, it's slightly younger demographic, and that's why we're looking to need development.
Sounds good. Any closing thoughts? Anything on the Binance roadmap that you're particularly excited about coming up the next few quarters?
Just new products, continue to innovate, protect users, and grow the market. It's still small. We're in crypto, NFTs, blockchain, and we live and breathe it.
Yeah, 160 million compared to the global population, still small.
Yeah,
and you all have the biggest user base in the world, right? So we have a ways to go.
Yeah, social networks are much bigger, right? And so long way to go. So looking forward to the journey.
All right, thanks, Alex. Appreciate your time today.
Very much.